Hello, share ko lang ang aking happiness today. After 7 months, yay! Na-receive ko na ang aking green card. So, hindi na tayo matatakot sa ice baby. Nakakatakot diba yung ice baby? So, share ko lang konting kaalaman. Nag-interview po ako. And then, nag-provide kami ng napakaraming requirements. As in, lahat ng requirements na kailangan, pre-provide namin ni asawa. So, nung ano na kami sa officer, kasi kaming dalawa ni asawa, sabi sa akin ni officer, actually, you already approved. But we wanted you to go here to see your relationship are genuine. Imagine that. We filed, or I filed my adjustment of status sa Arizona, which is current address namin here in Fernley. So, 12 hours ang biyahe namin, ha? 12 hours para ma-attend yung interview. But anyway, okay lang yun. At least, dahil nga mahigpit na yun, di ba? Yung administration ngayon mahigpit. So, I understand that very well. So, at least nakapag-bakasyon din ng konting ilang araw doon sa Arizona. So, napakasimple ng tanong about my name and his name, my husband's name, and then my address in the Philippines, and what else? My birthday and my husband's birthday. That's all. And then after that, yes or no na. Yun lang. And then he said, you can get your green card after 1 to 2 weeks. So we received this is 1.5 week to my sister-in-law address there in Arizona. And she mailed last 3 days ago, so I received now. So good luck sa lahat ng mga adjustment of status. Wag mawalan ng pag-asa kahit na sputum kayo, wag kayo mawalan ng pag-asa. Sputum din ako. Pero awa ng Diyos, dahil sobrang faith ko kay God. Basta manalig lang tayo sa Panginoong Hesus, walang imposible. Ang masasabi ko lang sa inyo, wag nyo muna i-broadcast what happened sa adjustment of status niyo. You know, ako napaka-quiet ko. Ayoko muna kahit na naka-receive na ako ng email and mail for my interview. Hindi ako nagsasabi kahit kanino, sarili ko lang and God. I pray talaga a lot. I believe in God na because one of my requirements actually about my redo-medical. Kailangan ko mag-redo-medical kasi yung sputum na ako sa Pinas at ang USCIS nag-ask na kung mag-medical ako ulit kasi nga sputum tayo sa Pinas. So,